Oh, well, what is my video today about? Well, here, I just went to the store. I wanted to do a little review on this Bissell Pet Pro Oxy Stain Destroyer. It says, permanently removes tough pet stains and odors. And it says 30-second stain removal. And I don't know if you can see it very well on this carpet. See, here it is. Here it is, right here. Right through there. And I'm going to spray a little bit on there. And this is our doorstop. I'll get rid of, I'll move her a little bit. And look, here's some other spots over here. I might even use it on that too. That's not paint, pet stains or anything. That's something else. And you see, if you have a little pet stain like this is from our cat. She pissed here one day. I think it's because we went on vacation. We left her here and some friends took care of her while we were gone. And I think she just did that for spite because we weren't around. Because usually she uses her pet box. She uses her pet box all the time. And speaking of cats, here she is right here, little dirty culprit. Hello, Pippas. Hello. She looks so nice, doesn't she? She's not. She's mean. But see, you can use these things. This is called a calming diffuser home kit, and it comes with these little things, and you plug that into the wall, and that's supposed to calm them down in case they're pissing all over your carpets. And we used that over at a condo, and it worked out really well, believe it or not. But you see, right now we don't have any in this room, and we had another one in where her cat box is. But it's almost empty, so we've got some more of those cat diffusers. You can buy them in a 6-pack. I think this came with a 6-pack. See, here's 6 of those value pack. Comfort Zone is called, and we use that. I forget where we got that. We might have got it from PetSmart or somewhere like that. Okay, but anyways, the video is actually about this Pet Pro Oxy Stain Destroyer. And I'm gonna spray some on here. Why do I have some Simple Green here? Well, I used to use Simple Green on all my pet stains and marks on the floors and stuff. And the only thing with Simple Green, you have to make sure you check your spot cleaning out. Like if you have a carpet like this color carpet, kind of an off-white or a white, you might get some green residue left after you clean it. Okay, but if you have a carpet cleaner, and I just did a little promo for the Turbo Clean Duro Dual Pro Pet Bissell. I just got that, and I'm going to clean these carpets with this Bissell after a little bit because I got all kinds of marks here and stuff. But I just wanted to let you know, if you have just a little pet stain like this, no sense getting your carpet cleaner out. Maybe you can use something like that, and you know, because I have the carpet cleaner later on, I'm going to use my Simple Green, and I'm going to spray it on discolored areas like this. Take a brush on it, like a spot cleaning, pre-treatment. I'll do it in these little spots in here too. And I saw a couple over here by the bed. You know, little spots like this. If you pre-spot it with some cleaner and kind of get it loose, it's way easier to get it off with a carpet cleaner because you don't have to go over it so many times in one little spot. You know what I mean? Okay, so let's just see what happens here. My battery's kind of low on this, and it's hopefully I have enough to finish this thing I just got. So I'm thinking I might have to. I'm not sure how this works. If I have to break that little thing? No? Come on. I have to read the directions to see how to pull this top off, to swivel it. Isn't that something? I'm gonna have to do something with it. I'm not sure how to get that. See, there's little notches that fit on there. Isn't that funny? I'm going to have to read the directions on that And it might be something to kid protector, child proof. And here you got me, Video Joe, who's supposed to know a lot. I can't even do it. All right, I'll be right back. I guess you have to just push down on that just a hair to twist it, and I've already twisted it, and it's probably was hard to do because it's brand new. Okay, so I'm gonna put some on here. It says 30 seconds. Oh, that cracks me up. I don't know if it's gonna go away in 30 seconds. Maybe I should just leave it. I was reading on here, it was saying something. If stain is still visible after 1 minute, reapply, wait 3 to 5 minutes, and then deep clean following your machine's user guide. So I guess they want you to do that, and then you would clean it with a carpet cleaner, let's say. But you know, if you just want to use this and try to get your pet mark off without using a carpet cleaner, you could just do it this way. I'm just going to do some circular motions here, and unfortunately we're not going to see until it's dry whether or not it's pulled it up or not, you know. But I think it right now, you can't really see. You can't really see where it's at, can you? And that's Pet Pro Oxy from Bissell. 30-second stain removal. Oxy Stain Destroyer permanently removes tough pet stains and odors. This was like $6.50 at the store. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this and hope that I don't need to use it that often, you know, in case Pip does an accident like that. Sometimes she also likes to eat plants, the leaves and stuff, and then she throws it up on the carpet, and that stuff looks really nasty. And I'll save this for that too if she ever does that in the near future. Okay, and I can use this then. Okay, and as for other stains, yeah, you could probably use that for other marks, but like I said, because I've got the my Bissell Brothers, I don't know if it's Bissell Brothers, my Bissell Stain, my carpet cleaner, Turbo Clean. Because I just got this, I'm going to go over this whole floor, and that's why now I'm going to end up using my Simple Green concentrate on all these other little marks and do a spot cleaning. Okay, I don't want to use this. This got 627, so I'm just going to use this for areas where a cat or a dog has urinated on the carpet, thrown up on the carpet, pooped on the carpet, something like that. I would only use that for that. And for other things, if I'm going to have the cleaner out, I might as well just use my Simple Green, because I can get this in a 1-gallon container and put just that much in a whole entire bottle like that, fill it up with water, and I can do that about 40 different times with a gallon of Simple Green, which cost me $10. For 40 of those, this is $6 for one little container of that. You see what I'm saying? So I try to work smart. Now, if I only had one little mark on the floor, I could use this for that. Because of this color carpet, if you will remember, use Simple Green, it might leave a little hue of green on there unless you saturate it with water afterwards, and generally you can get it good enough so you don't see a green spot on it, let's say. And that's only on white carpet or off-white carpet. I've never really had a problem with Simple Green not taking out carpet spots anywhere on whatever color carpet it was, other than white or an off-white like this. Okay, so if I was only going to do one little spot and I wanted to get that black mark off. And because I have this one right here, I'd use that. And it would probably be fine, just like how I did there. I probably would not use the simple green for one little spot like that, because after a while it might have a green tinge to it ever so slightly. You probably wouldn't even know it. If I did one little spot in this room and I said try to find it, it'd probably take you 10 minutes to find it. Okay, but I would know where it is. But if I'm going to use a carpet cleaner, like I'm getting ready to do in this bedroom for these spots and along here and by where the door is to go out into the hallway, I'm going to spray with this. Spot treat it. I'm going to spray it just like how I did that. I'm going to spray these spots with a simple green. And then I'm going to let it set in there a little bit before I get ready to use my carpet cleaner. Okay? All right. Well, that's all I got for this time. All right. But I'll see you on the next video. And I hope you're around, because I'm always making more videos. And whenever I do anything around the house, I whip out my camera, my video camera, and I make another video, because I want you to see if I can do it, you can do it. It's not that hard to do things around your house. Save money on your DIY how-to projects and repairs. All right, that's what my channel is all about. Well, a couple minutes later, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? And I shouldn't rag too much on simple green, because depending how much you spray on there and do, it comes off. See these little spots here? So if I wasn't doing the whole carpet, and if I only had simple green, I'd still use my simple green. Okay, I'm just gonna see where it's at right now. Let's do that little spot right there. If I just had simple green, I only need to put just a little bit on there. My word. You see? I doubt very seriously that once that dries, there's going to be a green hue to it, because I didn't put hardly any spray on there. Now, if you saturated a pet stain, for instance, this simple green will get it off, but it will probably more than likely, if it foams way up, more than likely it's going to leave a little hue to it. And then what I've done before is I just take my 5-gallon bucket of water, and then I just take a sponge, not a sponge, but a brush like this, and just saturate the whole thing with clear water, fresh water. And then usually that tones it way down. So see, you just do it a little bit, and then once it dries, then you can brush it in. That it's turning white, because that's just the suds it makes, And then when it dries, you can just take your brush and kind of blend it right back in. Okay, well, that's how you do that with simple green. Okay, that's it for now. Look at this, I have a new landscape gardener. Look at this. She's trimming the rose bushes. I guess they like rose bushes. Look at that beautiful guy. And here's his buddy over here. They were both sitting over here. Oh, look at that. He's getting up. Oh, come on. Where is he? Come on. He sees his buddy over here eating. I thought they were going to snooze all day long. But here it is during the middle of the day. Right here next to a road. And they're spending the afternoon with Joe. Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice?